Hey Plugheads, welcome back to the channel, it's Sheen here. Today I'm showing you this plugin called ZL Inflator, and if you want your mix to sound bigger, warmer and just hit harder without smashing the dynamics, you gotta check out this ZL Inflator plugin. It's basically a free clone of the legendary Sonnox Inflator plugin, and honestly it sounds pretty damn good. It uses some slight non-linear psychoacoustic magic, not compression, not limit, and it boosts the loudness in a super clean musically way. Just listen this production and okay, now I'm gonna show you the controls to set it to make a loud mix, and the first is the wet controls. This controls how much effect you blend in, and keep it in this range from 30 to 60, between these two range from 30 and 60 for punch without killing the mix. The weight control here add thickness and body. Go mic to high for that full rich sound, okay? Between 15 and 17, this range here. And the low splits, focus on the low end. You go around between 60 and 100, okay? 160. Here, this range, focus to the low end. And high split, focus to the high to boost the highs a little to keep things clear and shiny. The curve here control more curve, more aggressive tone, okay? Stay around to 60 and 80, this range here, for loudness without harshness. Gain in to hit the inflator harder, okay? To push it in. The out gain put at -1. Pull it back to stay safe and avoid clipping. Push it, for example, -0.1 to avoid the clipping. And this style here are the color, the vibe. For example, you can choose this, or you can choose this style here. And for example, cubic gives you that analog warm, slightly dirty magic, okay? This is my settings, and I apply the plugin before the limiter. And on my master bus, if you can see, I have the ZL Inflator, and after that I have the limiter. Check this. Okay, you can add the auto gain if you want, the oversampling to avoid the aliasing. For today it's all. If you like the plugin, go grab it. I put the link in the description. Go to the itbblog.com. For today it's all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next plugin. Peace.